Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can reduce playback lag in Davinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. There are a couple of ways. I know of three, and I'm going to be showing you all three. The first one is to go into your project settings, at this gear icon in the bottom right, and going into the master settings and setting the timeline resolution to a resolution that fits your video. In my case, it's 1080p, and then you want to go and set your frame rate to the appropriate frame rate. In my case, for 1080p, it is for 24 frames per second. As you can see, the video format is HD 1080p 24 frames per second, and that is the optimal frame rate for 1080p. And if you set it to the optimal frame rate, then you will be, well, you will reduce the lag pretty much in playback. That's pretty much what it does. If you're higher on, for example, 2K, I think on 2K it's about 50 frames per second. On 4K, I think it's 60. Not very sure. You guys should double check that. Don't just take my word for it, but I'm pretty sure it's somewhere along those lines. The second fix, you can just easily go into the playback menu in the top, go into timeline proxy resolution and half it or quarter it. This will just change the resolution of the playback to either a half or a quarter. However, that will not impact any exported and rendered videos that you actually export from this program. The last and final fix is you can generate optimized media by right-clicking the clips you're using, selecting all of them, and then right-clicking and generating optimized media or proxy media. That will be the best option which you can do. If you want to undo it, you can just link full resolution media, but generating optimized media will generate a format of media which is much easier on your device, and it'll allow you to edit much more smoothly. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.